Hello there, welcome to this channel. Support by subscribing to this channel to help us grow. Thanks. Today I will be taking you on how to recover lost source code or project using a free app tool from playstore. Support by subscribing to this channel to help us grow. Thanks. App info is a feature to help get basic and advanced info from either installed APK or APK file from storage. It can reliable get informations like minimum and target SDK version, app first and last install date, hash key if you are a developer, public key and private key info, SHA-1, SHA-256 etc. signatures. Launch app settings, locate app on Play Store if it exists there. Decompiler can reliable get source code from APK, APKs, AAB, AAR, jars, DEX back to Java language. Manifest View can easily decode and parse manifest files and view them using an advanced codeviewer. APK Resource Extractor extracts resources files like res folder which contains all the app images, XMLs etc. also assets folder. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.